Hey guys, I got out of the shower about an hour ago, and in this video I'm going to be attempting the Bathrobe Heatless curls that are all over TikTok. So my hair is about 80% dry right now, so I think I'm going to start twisting my hair around this bathrobe belt and we're going to see what's going to happen. So as far as I learned from these TikToks that I watched, you're supposed to put the belt on top of your head and then just wrap your hair around it. I'm going to show you what I'm doing, but I will also link a couple of YouTube tutorials that really helped me, and you guys can go ahead and watch those if you actually want to learn how to do it. But it was pretty simple. So you take about like 1.5 inches, 2 inches, just wrap it around, and then when you come back to the front of the face, just grab another section and then wrap them together. So that's just what it's supposed to be.
So everything was going really well with the front parts of my hair, but when it came to the back, I was completely lost for some reason. I watched so many videos and it looked super easy and straightforward, but when it came to actually doing it, for some reason, I just couldn't make it work. So I just wrapped the back pieces over the top of the belt, which I realized is completely wrong, especially like now that I'm seeing it from your point of view. But that seemed like a good decision at the time. And then I felt like the braids were too loose, so I decided to make them into buns to secure them, and I had seen that in one of the YouTube tutorials.
Okay, now I'm ready to go to bed and I can't wait to see the results in the morning. Okay guys, time for the big reveal. I ended up removing the buns because they were really hard to sleep on, but I kind of just like connected the two little braids, and this way it was really comfy to sleep on. I feel like my hair is still a little bit wet. I don't know. Like, I'm really curious to see what happened. If this works, I feel like it's gonna be my favorite way to curl my hair without heat, because it was really comfy to sleep on these, just the long ones. So the lighting in my bathroom was really bad, so I moved, but they definitely worked. I will have to style them a little bit, but I really like it so far. And my hair is still a little bit damp, so I should have just dried it a little bit more. So the front parts are really perfect. I really like how they turned out. The back parts not so much, because I couldn't figure out a way to do it properly for them, but I'll have to practice some more. But overall, pretty impressed. I'm gonna style it a little bit and I'm gonna be back to show you guys the final result.
A few moments later.
So I separated the curls a little bit, I put some hairspray on them, and I'm honestly really in love with this look. I definitely want to practice some more, but I love the size of the curls. I love how like bouncy they are and everything, so I think this hack totally works. Okay guys, it's been almost an entire day and my hair is still a little curly, and actually I really like it. It's more of a wavy curls, not so much like ringlets, but I really love it, and I'll definitely try that hack again with a different type of belt just to see how the curls would be. But overall, I really liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye guys!